guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latifa Abiola, popularly known as Nifty. I'm here this afternoon to firstly, I'd like to thank all my friends from Instagram, all my friends from Facebook, from TikTok, from WhatsApp apps. This afternoon, although let me talk about my let me talk about this program. Yes, I called it Nifty Channel. This is Nifty Channel. This is the place, the platform that you meet different gist that is going online, some news, compiled news, combined news, gist, every fascinating stories. So just stay tuned and make sure you always subscribe, like and share, because this girl really love you guys. And I think I posted on my YouTube channel, I posted on my WhatsApp that you guys should join me live. But unfortunately, my subscription is not up to 50 followers. But with the help of you guys, I know you can make this happen, because I need 50 subscribers before I can make live. Yeah. So I welcome you all to Nifty Channel. My name is Latifa Abiola. I welcome you all to my YouTube channels once again. Firstly, I would like to give thanks to God Almighty for making this possible. Yes, because I've been dreaming of this since how many years back, that yes, I want to open my own YouTube channel. I want to open this, but with the help of my friends, with the help of them, said, Nifty, you can do this too. So here with me now, to all my new family, you are the real LMVP. I love you, and I would like you guys to keep supporting your girl, because we are about to chatter the world. So on my list this afternoon, I'll discuss about this thing that is happening now. Firstly, I read on one newspaper that Nigeria in crisis. So I was wondering what made Nigeria to be on crisis. So they said Nigeria in crisis. Nigeria in crisis as debt stock hits 205 cents. T. I don't understand the T at the back, but in 7 years, but barely 16 months to the end of President Muhammadu final term in office. So we Nigerian, they said we are owing 250, maybe it's millions of dollars or billions of, I can't even relate, but we Nigeria, we are owing. But I don't know, maybe me, I'm not Misha, but Nigerians. And another thing is, Cameroon dream of title at home as Cup of Nations kicks off. Yes, Cameroons are giving themselves title. That no, the Nation Cups is coming on. Nigeria are preparing. So many different countries are preparing. So Cameroon, they have been like now 50 years after last hosting the Africa Cup of Nations. Cameroon kicked off the Continental Showpiece on Sunday, targeting a sixth title while opening the sparkle of the coronavirus. It does not overshadow the tournament. I think this thing has to happen way back, but because of this COVID-19 issues, we're not able to bring it back. And I think That is that for now. And I even hear about one gist that is going on Instagram about Bobrisky at Beanie, and this lady or boy, this guy or boy, what's his name? What's it? James Brown was saying that Bobrisky, you are not in Beanie. You that you wear pursue, they don't pursue, they pursue you come out Beanie. So you are not saying that you are in Beanie dining or chilling with the big boys. So thank you guys once again. Your girl is loyal. Once again, my name is Latifa Abiola. So another hot news that is around the last week, this Sunday. So the last week from January 1st, yes, for the 1st of January to date. So I'll bring the hottest news for you guys. Number one is President Buhari urges Nigerian youth to start farming. Hey, that means news to you. You have to start farming. That is Buhari have urged youth to do what? To start farming, to leave studying, just go out, look for land, start farming. Thank God there's no plot of land at my park now. I think I'll start farming. Number two, federal government to lift Twitter ban after meeting conditions. Yes, this implies that the federal government should lift Twitter bans, that they should leave us to be seeing more gist, because after we have met with the conditions. And number three is Lagos State government clears the Wayne College students accused of killing Sylvester Oromoni. That is, they have claimed that Sylvester was not killed from the school premises. So they have cleared the Wayne College. Maybe they cannot start opening, or maybe they cannot start opening. But Lagos State government clears the Wayne College today accused of killing Sylvester Oromoni. So number 4 is Lollywood actress Iyabo Oko comes back to life 3 hours after pronounced dead. Yes, this amazed me because I even saw the comment from this lady for Loke Daramola. I posted this on our Instagram page that Iyabo Oko, she's dead, blah 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 like that, because she had the information from the woman's daughter, but the woman did not die. Please, she did not die. So number 5 is Jimmy Ike reverse fights with Uche Mendungu was stage. I think they're fighting. I don't know. Number 6, Grammy Award 2020 postponed due to Omicron variant. They don't postpone now. So please support your fans, support your fan. Is it fan or fans? Whatever. But the 6th one is police disobey Governor Sanwo-Olu's order to leave Magodo. Hey. Yes. When the police were on his rights, I have to disrespect Sanwo-Olu. So, Ogbeni Sanwo-Olu, be calming down. Toro to sorrow, it's okay. But you just have to calm down. And on my paper with me is federal government declares bandits as terrorists. All these bandits that is going on, there's even the one that happened on Saturday, maybe Saturday or Friday at Zamfara. So many people were killed, and this is not right. When is this going to stop? My God, Nigeria. So number 10 is Nigerians rail in as Kosa's pastor Fatoyinbo is accused again of harassment. Wonders shall never end. Guys, if you're enjoying this, don't worry, I'll be bringing different news and different exposure. So the last but not the least, Rema reveals a plot admission into Unilag. Yes, if you are in Unilag, you are lucky right now. Maybe I'll go back to school to go and see Rema.